students, today's our topic is burn, closure and lookout. However, restrictions on this right are placed on the grounds of public policy under Article 19 Clause 6 of the Constitution. One manifestation of this restriction is under Section 25 Clause O of Chapter 50 of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, which deal with closure apart from layoff and retrenchment, that provides for an elaborate procedure to close down an industry employing 100 or more workmen. The procedure requires prior permission from the authority to be sought at least 90 days in advance, clearly stating the reasons for closure of industry. Although the closure procedure looks simple, it is riddled with heartless wasting resources and causing a long drawn court process. Invariably, the application seeking permission to close the industry is not granted even when there are strong reasons to justify closure. A misplaced sympathy towards the retrenched employees seems to guide the authority, forgetting that the benefit of quick redevelopment of capital into productive activities far outweighs the temporary pain of retrenchment. Denial of permission by the authority entitles the employer for a review, but rarely does the authority retract its decision, leaving the employer to wait for one more year to reapply for closure. Meanwhile, the employer is obliged to pay full wages and all other benefits to his workmen, eroding the already unviable unit further. Many employers file a writ petition challenging to deny permission to close. However, given the large backlog of cases in the court, it takes 5-10 years before a decision is available, further eroding the value of the unit. Even if permission for closure is granted by the authority, trade unions invariably file writ petition in the High Court challenging the grant of permission and seeking status quo, which the court generally grant the employer is back to square one. A case in point in the recent attempt by Parle Group to close down its Bangalore unit, a household name in biscuit, one Parle 17 factories was in Bangalore. Since 2001, the industrial climate was relatively peaceful until the end of March 2007. Thereafter, the workmen stuck one work for 3.5 months. So, the High Court directed the workmen to give a collective undertaking to maintain discipline and resume normal production. The truce did not last long. One more round of litigation followed, with the suspension of one workman. Protesting workmen stopped work midway, causing extensive damage to in process material and furnished product.